Hello, this is Roddy and I'm from Light Components, and I want to introduce you the new power station external battery EB55. And it's the new model, and I want to introduce you in the interesting things is new and is very innovative. So we have here the inputs, and this has changed. It's separate inputs. One input is for power supply from the grid, and the other input is from 12 volt or from solar power. So you can charge with both at the same time, so you can charge very fast, or you can charge with 12 volt completely full. So this is the new thing that is most important, that you are fast charging, and because the capacity of this alternative battery is 700 watts output here, and the storage is 534 watts per hour. So it's about roughly 40 amperes per hour when you compare it to a normal battery at 12.5 volts. So the most interesting thing for the user is that you have a button all beside the fields where you switch it on and off. So when you switch it on, you have USBs, you have 4 normal USB and USB-C, and you switch on at the same time the wireless charging plate at the top. And when you want to have AC, you switch it on here and you see the field is working. We have 700 watts output AC with these two plugs here. And the next output is 12 volt normal battery lighter, 10 amps, and 2 small outputs for lighting, for LED lighting or something like that. So this is the main panel of EB55. At the back side we have the light, you know, from older model. So you have here a light, you can switch it on and off and can dim it with one in one yes, because okay, when it works for your camera it's okay. So okay, so I don't want to destroy your lens. So, and yes, the weight is about 7.5 kilos, so it's easy to carry, and it's good for all camping people who start with camping and has not the need for a lot of power, but it's enough for a fridge to use it in the night, and in the day you can use it with solar panel, but for a fridge in the night it's enough energy inside to use it. Or you can plug directly your computer, your television. These things are all working easily with this EB55.
So, very good.